Today we are going to understand the creation of the force cube using the planes. Previously we understood it, we discussed the force cube using the directions. The light is acting vertically and the mass is here, then the time was acting horizontally in three perpendicular planes. But we didn't define the light, mass and time onto the planes. Now we have put the light, mass and time for the planes. This front plane is time and mass is here and the light is the top plane. Then we are using a section, 3D section of the force cube. And along this diagonal, the section is taken along the top diagonal. Then these planes are perpendicular to each other. The light plane is perpendicular to time and mass. Mass plane is perpendicular to light and time. Time is perpendicular to the other two planes. To create the force cube, we need another identical section of the force cube. The same diagram, same section. Now what happens is when these planes start to create the force cube, the one section rotates as shown. So when this is rotated, the rotated section, this rotated section combines with the first section to create the force cube. Now we can see the force cube T, S, R, Q, P represents one section, and T, A, S, R, P that represents the other section. So those two now those two sections have joined to create the force cube. The top plane is the light plane and this is the diagonal. Why is this useful to understand the creation of the force cube? This is very useful when we are trying to understand the nature of the sphere surface, and also after that we use those characteristics to create the teeth of human beings. So this setup is very useful in those. And not only that, in this creation A is in one section and B is on another section. So those two sections only join to create the force cube. So these two sections, these two vertices have the polarity, positive negative characteristics or male female characteristic. Then that male female characteristic or the polarity between A and B or the magnetism between A and B is used to create the next steps, used to create the teeth of human beings. So the magnetism involves in the universe's creations from the beginning itself. The polarity. Now once the force cube is created, we know that the nucleus is created and then the sphere is also created. Then this sphere is split. Sphere is split when creating the teeth. How does it split? It splits along these, it splits across the diagonal because due to the polarity of this vertex and this vertex, these two vertices are trying to join with each other due to their magnetism or male-female characteristics. As a result, only the teeth are created in the universe. We will be discussing how the teeth are created later. So this is very this method of creating the force cube is also very important for the other creations.